He was riding through the storm, his boots were all ragged like his heart. He could see beyond the line, the night was in the sky, so he got down. He was lighting up a fire, he wondered why he couldn't see more faces. He was out there all alone, this place that he called home, and then she spoke, and what she said: you keep on walking, where do you go? Come back to me and lay down your clothes. Stay till the morning, stay till the night. Hey Mr. Drifter, won't you stay? Or I'll set your boots on fire. Well, she wants to find a way, but he doesn't want to stay. It's not that easy. He is longing for the land, with the freedom in his hand. He goes away. He thinks that life will work out, but he's lonely out without someone to hold. If he makes it home alive, he'll remember what the words she used to say, and what she said: you keep on walking, where do you go? Come back to me and lay down your clothes. Stay till the morning, stay till the night. Hey Mr. Drifter, won't you stay? Or I'll set your boots on fire. Where do you go? Come back to me and lay down your clothes. Stay till the morning, stay till the night. Hey Mr. Drifter, won't you stay? Oh, you keep on walking, where do you go? Come back to me and lay down your clothes. Stay till the morning, stay till the night. Hey Mr. Drifter, stay with me tonight. You keep on walking, where do you go? Come back to me and lay down your clothes. Stay till the morning, stay till the night. Hey Mr. Drifter, won't you stay? Stay with me tonight.
Trying to figure out where things went wrong. Alone in this room of solitude, call my home. I smoked my mind the night before, trying to forget about you. Now I'm drinking